Welcome to the Windows Club. If you do not know which Chrome tab is using the most memory, or in general which Chrome tab is using what memory, then either read through this article on the website for the procedures to find this out, or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedures. The first procedure is very simple. For example, I have YouTube and ChatGPT open here. We will use the Chrome Task Manager, and yes, we are right with this. Just like Windows has its own task manager, so does Chrome, which is separate from the Windows Task Manager. So to open the task manager for Chrome, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select More Tools, then scroll down and click on Task Manager. You'll see all of these tasks here with the process ID and a little bit more information, but you might still be needing more information. This has been explained in the second process. You will have to scroll down to the procedure number 2 in the original article. We have the link in the description section. So copy this path, which is chrome://system, then paste it in the Chrome address bar and hit enter. This will open a page. In this page, click on expand corresponding to this option mem usage with title, which is memory usage with title, and here you would find even more detailed information. For example, the exact memory used by ChatGPT, the exact memory used by YouTube. Isn't this interesting? If it helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a very nice day.